Today, I'll walk you through how to set up sub-accounts in Xero accounting software, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to organize your financial data efficiently so you can streamline your accounting processes. Let's get started by signing into your Xero account. Think of this as entering the control room of your business finances, a place where you can manage and oversee all your financial activities. Once you're logged in, click on Accounting and then select Chart of Accounts. This is like your financial toolbox where all your accounts are neatly organized. Take a moment to review the accounts currently available in your organization. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Xero often updates its interface to enhance user experience. Now, to create a new sub-account, click on Add Account. This is similar to adding a new tool to your toolbox, ensuring you have everything you need for precise financial management. Enter the account details and choose the appropriate account type. Imagine this step as labeling your tool. It helps you and others understand its purpose at a glance. Carefully review the available account settings to ensure everything aligns with your financial strategy. Once you're satisfied, save the account. It's totally normal if this takes a moment. After saving, the account will appear in your Chart of Accounts list. This is your confirmation that the new tool is ready for use in your financial operations. And there you have it, you've successfully set up a sub-account in Xero accounting software. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any snags, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.